We are just questioning the Mamta government, what she has been doing. The incident which took place in Bengal a few days ago is not the first one. He was beating with sticks a woman, and people were just surrounding and just looking at this. This is the condition of law and order in West Bengal. What is she waiting for? What is she doing? Such punishment that nobody dares to repeat this kind of crime again.
The ABVP supporters has taken to the streets to protest against the doctor's brutal rape. They are demanding justice for the doctor who has been brutally raped, and no action is being taken by the Mamata Banerjee government. Again and again, such cases of atrocities are happening against the women in Bengal. It is extremely unfortunate that being a woman, she is taking no action. Yesterday, she claimed to have taken to the streets and have assured the people that some action is being taken. But the question arises, why such a thing is happening repeatedly in West Bengal? From Sandesh Khali to this brutal murder case, why it is being happening again and again. Justice is being demanded by the ABVP supporters. No action is being taken by Mamata Banerjee. It is extremely, all steps are being taken to watch up the evidence against the culprits. It is extremely unfortunate. The ABVP is asking for justice. They are asking the government, they are asking the central government to take adequate steps to stop these atrocities in West Bengal. Today, you can see behind me that there are a lot of men and women supporters who have come out in large numbers. They are raising slogans of demanding justice against the rape of the doctor, which was extremely inhuman.
The incident which took place in Bengal a few days ago is not the first one. If we look at the incidents of Sandesh Khali, there were brutal rapes in the party office, and it was not just a single rape, it was mass rape, and all this was organized just under the nose of what was his name, Shah Jahan Sheikh, who was supported by TMC. After that, there were several videos which were being circulated on social media, including the Twitter, which showed that a man named Tajmul Haq, who was also supported by TMC, he was beating with sticks a woman, and people were just surrounding and just looking at this. This is the condition of law and order in West Bengal. Till how long, how much long will we have to face this? Mamata Banerjee should resign. She's protesting, she's marching. I would ask her, she has health ministry under her, she has home ministry under her, she has several ministries under her. What is she waiting for? What is she doing? Till when we have to just walk on such streets? Till when we have to just raise a voice like this? Why women are not safe?
So currently West Bengal has become a state where continuously atrocities towards women is at a rise. We have seen before 6 months a Sandesh Khali event happened where women were raped by the TMC goons. Now another incident happened in the RG Kar hospital, and yesterday an incident happened in some part of the city where a woman was raped and her body was split into 2 pieces. So continuously rapes are being happening in the state where the state is being governed by a female chief minister. So we are just questioning the Mamata government, what she has been doing. She has been in rule there for continuously 3 years. What she has been doing for women atrocities against women are continuously at rise. So we demand Mamata Banerjee to give resignation, and the culprit should be hanged till death, and they should be given such punishment that nobody dares to repeat this kind of crime again.